First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you very much to OutIn, who have kindly provided me with this amazing little product. And I've not even got to use it yet, but it just looks absolutely brilliant. It really does. So it's a portable espresso machine. And yes, you can take this anywhere with you, literally anywhere. And as I do driving for a living, this will be following me around everywhere I go. Very nice box, real nice design. And I've taken a lot of time, you can tell, for the packaging. This is also one of them flasks what are just perfect to take with you as well if you're doing a hiking, so you love being out in the wild, in the outdoors. We've got a little barista special there with OutIn. It tells you how to make everything. So we've got Americano, latte, the base, mocha. And here we've got a nice little guide as well for everything. So it's nice of them being thoughtful as they put it up on there. We've got how to use. And on here as well is another user guide. Let's take it out and see the product itself. So this is the coffee machine. Nice little sleek design. Comes with the flask, or you can use it as a cup. I think that might be something to do with like a filter. Well, it strains the coffee through it. That will be the measurement cup, I do believe. And USB to charge it. I really like the way they've actually incorporated the O from OutIn in their logo as the power button. That's really a good touch. Little things like that I really like. And it's a nice, very sleek design. A little bit of a warning for you for hot water, that can come off. Your charge port is just here as well, it lifts up, USB-C. It does say in the menu you do need the fast charge USB-C cables, so just bear that in mind as well. But it does come with one, so you don't have to worry about it too much. And it tells you there how to use the basics. So press for 2 seconds to heat and extract, double press to extract directly, and once to stop. Up here at the top is where you fill it up with water. You will use cold water, but on the inside, I'll try and get up to the camera, you can see the maximum 70ml and 50mm measurements in there. Now, to make the coffee itself, you do have a couple of different options. You can use this, I do believe, along with this, and you can use fresh ground coffee. Now, for this trail, unscrew the top, that comes off, and then this bottom bit, I'm actually going to use one of these little capsules. So I'll stick that in straight into there, push it down firmly, put that back into there, and then tighten it up. We're going to pour the water in. It can be hot or cold. We're going to use 50ml as it recommends for one of these little capsules that I'm currently using. And then pop the top on like so. I've got my little cup and let's give it a whirl. So we need to press that for 2 seconds, listen to the beep, let go, and then it should start heating it up. Whilst you're waiting for the water to heat up, all you need to do is get your cup on a nice flat surface and you just place it down like so, and you just wait for these bars to fill up. And whilst we're waiting for it to warm up, it's nearly there, you can hear it warming up at the moment. Once it's on fully charged, you can get 3 to 5 cups using cold water like I currently am. But if you're using hot water, so all you need to do, if you boil your kettle, for an example, if you're out on the road and you just want an espresso or a latte, you put hot water in at the top and you can filter it directly through, and then it will make your hot coffee. You can get up to 200 cups of coffee that way. And here we have it. One nice cup of latte. And there you have it. Simply add your milk and sugar and you got a nice little coffee for on the go. Cheers. If you want to pick up one of these coffee machines for yourself whilst you're out and about, they are perfect for if you're hiking, if you go on the caravan holidays, you want to go for a nice walk, but take a cup of coffee with you. Forget about the flasks, make it fresh. Also, as I'm a driver, I'm always on the road. Perfect for me. Links and product descriptions are down below for you, and you also get a nice little percentage off using the links. Thank you very much. See you again next time.